everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today I am going to make a video on the VMD software where we will see how to create such kind of image figures. So you see, like here we have some atoms and molecules and how they have arranged, like each group of atom is represented by one single color. So this way how we can create this kind of atoms or this kind of figures we will see in today's video using our VMD software. So here I am going to open that software, and here I have the file on my desktop. So I am opening that XYZ file here and load. This is done. Next is let me change this representation. So here first I will be changing the display background, then background from black to white in 8. Yes, so it's done. Next go to the orthographic, then depth queuing I am removing, then this axis I am turning off. Let's go to our representation. So here instead of these lines I will be changing this representation to Licorice. So this is done, and from here the material to be opaque to Aochoki. So let's go down Aochoki. Yeah, done. Next what we want, so there is an option in VMD that if we will choose this number, if I will click on the number 2 on my keyboard, so I will be able to click on the atom. So here I have clicked on number 2, then here if I will click, then each and every information about this atom and this molecular group I will get on this display. You see that here I have chosen atom 1, one atom I have clicked, and the information related to this atom: name is O, type is O, index 28, residue 3, residue name, residue 1. So every information about that atom and that molecule is given over here. Similarly, if I will click on this atom, you see the residue for this is 4, residue is 4, residue 1. So all this information is coming over in the screen. So similar way we can check for this. And so here we can see that we have 3 different molecular groups over here. This and this, they are same, and this is another, and this is another, and this is one is simple atom. So we will have our representation based on the different atoms and molecular groups. So let's go here. So here I am creating another representation. By clicking here, we have found that this residue is different for all of these molecules. So residue I will choose as a unique ID. So residue 3 I am clicking, and here I will change this color to a particular color. Suppose for this I am choosing this white. No, not white. Suppose this one. Okay, so this one is done for residue 3. Next, create another representation. Simply change the residue. So now I am simply change this residue number. So I am clicking this residue 4. So here we will change this color to, suppose, ice blue. Yeah, this is done. Next, create another representation for residue 2. Let's see which one. No, this is not. Suppose 0. Yes, 0 is for this one, and they both are from the same molecular group. So this color is both. So the color for both of them is okay, equal. Next, create another one for residue 2, and there we will change the color. So here I am changing the color from which color I can do, blue to, yeah, this blue too is also okay. So this way I have changed the color of each of these molecular groups depending on where, like if they are representing the same groups, then take the color as same for both. So this way we have done. Next one, also another residue 1 is only for this atom. Sorry, I forgot to give this number. Okay, done. Let's create another representation for SID1, which is representing this atom. So for this atom I am changing, suppose a color to lime. You see the color is now changed for this atom. Next I am increasing, suppose if I am increasing the sphere size, so this way it is coming. So if you want, you can also increase this or decrease this. Okay, so this part is done. Next what we will do, next part is, as we have seen that we can represent our oxygen atom with a different in this way. Like if you will see here, you see this oxygen atoms, they have represented in a molecular format. So that we can also do over here. So similar way, let's click over here. So here the top atom is oxygen, and here this oxygen is nothing but having a index 33. So here simply I will be creating another representation and choosing the index as 33. So index 33. So this is for the oxygen. You see the same thing happened with this, but here we want the color as red. Okay, so you see the same thing happened. Let me double click over here so that it will remove. Yeah, it's done. Next similar way, let's click on here. Which atom is this? This is also oxygen, and this oxygen will be of index 28. So here creating another representation by changing the index 28. This oxygen atom also came to appear. Next this atom, this is having index 16, and this one is having index 0. Okay, so we will do one with index 16. Yes, this is done. Another with index 0. Okay, so similar way we have also represented our molecule as we have seen in that given figure. So this way you can create your like figures to add it in your publication or somewhere else. So it is done now. Next part is what, next part what I want to do is how to save. Suppose we have created so many things over here, but how to save those. So here there is an option. Where is the main? Yes, no, not this one. So yes, this one. So here there is an option to render our image file. So here I am going to this render, and I will be choosing my internal memory, and then here I will save this figure. I will save this figure as this figure as something like, suppose I am giving the name image dot tga. So tga is the format. Here we will save here, and image tga, then start rendering. So here you see this molecule, like whatever the representation we have given, it is coming as different. That is because our all molecules at the beginning they have appeared like this. So if I will remove this representation, I have removed it. Now you see this is in red color, and again I am going to do the same thing. Start rendering. Now you see whatever we have saved here, it comes to here. So this way you can create your images, and you can have different you can also try other different things, and how to highlight your picture, how to highlight your molecules or atomic groups. And I hope this video will be helpful for all of you, and thank you all, and bye bye.